During trial, how does the court keep track of all the exhibits that we introduce and all the exhibits that the defense introduces? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski, a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney. The answer is that everything that we introduce at trial, we are the plaintiff, we're the person bringing the lawsuit. The court tracks our exhibits by using numbers. Plaintiff's exhibit number 1, plaintiff's exhibit number 2. Everything the defense will go ahead and introduce, whether it's for illustration purposes or for evidence, now they're going to be using letters. Defendant's exhibit A, defendant's exhibit B. Let's say I want to use an anatomical model for one of my experts to explain something to the jury. That anatomical model cannot be introduced into evidence. Instead, I'm going to mark this as an exhibit. Your Honor, I'd like to mark this anatomical model as plaintiff's exhibit number 1. So marked. So now the court stenographer will put a sticker on this anatomical model that says plaintiff's exhibit number 1. When the defense attorney gets up, and now let's say he's using an enlargement of a medical record, he now wants to mark that as an exhibit. Your Honor, I'd like to mark this as an exhibit to be able to use to explain to the jury. Fine. Now it's marked as defendant's exhibit A. And we continue on using numbers and letters throughout the entire course of trial. The judge will have a list of all the exhibits that are marked. The court clerk will also have a list of all the exhibits that are marked, and the attorneys will also have that same list. So this way, everybody's on track to see exactly which exhibits that now were marked, which exhibits were introduced into evidence, and which ones were not. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on during these civil trials here in New York involving accident cases, involving wrongful death cases, and involving medical malpractice matters. You know, I understand you're watching this video because you likely have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, if your case did happen here in New York and you have not yet started a lawsuit and have questions that need to be answered, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a fantastic day.